attention. This video could change your life forever. In the next 2 minutes, you will discover an unbelievable secret that ordinary people are using to make money with affiliate marketing easily every single day. Because the truth is that people just like you are using a single method to generate more than $5,000 every single month. Take a look at this screenshot of my earnings, which shows $5,874 in the last 15 days. And this one showing my earnings of $5,456. And also this one with earnings of $8,112. If I add up all of these, I have made $19,443. By the end of this video, you will have learned a new strategy that could change the way you do affiliate marketing. You don't even need any special skills to get started. And it is so easy that even a 12-year-old can do it. But before we go any further, I understand your skepticism. When I first started trying to make money online, I was in the same boat as you. We all know that there are a lot of fake gurus out there who are just looking to take your money, but this is different. I cannot guarantee that you will attain the same outcomes as I did because the truth is, how much you earn as an affiliate depends on how much dedication and hard work you put into marketing. Let's face it, you are not making money with affiliate marketing as you want, and I totally understand that. Making money with marketing requires 2 things. You need a good offer and a profitable niche, and you need highly targeted traffic. Unfortunately, failed marketers choose niches and products the wrong way. First, they go for niches based on a hunch. They have a gut feeling that a niche is hot or awesome. This is a serious problem because even if you think something is great, it doesn't necessarily mean that your target audience members will share your impression. Also, failed marketers do not know how to source quality traffic. They buy cheap traffic, which is mostly bots, and sometimes rely on organic traffic, which takes too long. If you want to succeed with affiliate marketing, you must first build your business. And it is a business, it is not a hobby. Right now, in 2022, there is a big opportunity in affiliate marketing. Yet no one is seeing it, let alone take advantage of it. Not even the top super affiliates or the gurus in marketing. My name is Benjamin. For many years, I kept bumming around trying to make my first dollar online. I tried publishing content, running Google ads, Facebook ads, creating YouTube videos, and even solo ads, yet I could not make a single dollar. Then, out of the blue, something happened. I was browsing on Google, trying to figure out what to do next, and then it clicked. I discovered a method that no other marketer was using. It is a new trick that enables you to pick the right niche, set up your affiliate business the right way, and then put your offers in front of millions of red-hot buyers by siphoning traffic from high-authority sites. It is so easy that it requires only 4 easy steps and takes just an hour to set up. Introducing Prcash Loophole. This is a step-by-step video guide teaching my secret method of dominating affiliate marketing. Imagine having your affiliate offers in front of millions of hungry buyers. With your content featured on high-authority sites such as AP News, with monthly traffic of over 30 million monthly, USA Today with monthly visits of over 108 million every month, Fox News with total monthly visits of over 200 million, Benzinga with monthly visit of 10 million, MarketWatch with total monthly visits of 71 million, The Buffalo News with monthly visit of over 2,500,000, and over 200 news sites, all sending traffic to your website. Not only will your content get featured on these sites, but also you are getting quality backlinks and high search rankings on Google. Here is a simple fact. About 89% of buyers read reviews online before buying products. Imagine how much traffic will flood your site when these buyers search for product reviews and then find your site. Just as I said, it does not matter if you are a beginner in affiliate marketing. Just follow my simple instructions and watch your content get shared and picked up by high-authority sites that will send tons of buyer traffic to your site. It's very easy, but you have to hurry. To keep the effectiveness of the course, I have to limit the numbers. Now picture this. If everyone was doing what I'm about to show you inside the Prcash system, do you think it will still be effective? Definitely not. And this is why I have decided to limit access to only the first 200 people to gain access. Delaying just by an hour could result in you coming back to an expired page. And once you see that, then I'm afraid you will never get another chance. I've also put up several bonuses to get you started. We have a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you have nothing to lose. So if you want in, then secure your spot by clicking the order button below, and I'll see you on the inside.